Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. I bet you have not seen these 37 shaggy lob hairstyles for women over 60. Think you know all there is to know about hairstyles for women over 60? Think again. The shaggy lob is taking the mature hair world by storm with its edgy, effortless vibe. We bet you have not seen these 37 stunning variations that are perfect for adding volume, texture, and a touch of youthful rebellion to your look. In my video, I'm showing you 37 stylish and stunning shaggy lob hairstyles. I hope you like my video. PC silver lob with razored end, tozel lob with caramel balayage, shaggy pearl grey lob, wavy lob with blonde highlights, textured lob with silver streaks, choppy lob with soft layers, beachy waves lob for grey hair, shaggy lob with wispy bangs, layered lob with golden blonde tips, messy grey lob with side sweep fringe, textured lob with platinum highlights, choppy silver lob with root shadow, wavy lob with face framing layers, tousled ash blonde lob, shaggy lob with subtle ombre, layered grey lob with soft waves, textured lob with blended highlights, feathered silver lob with side part, disheveled lob with chunky layers, wavy blonde lob with dark roots, shaggy lob with PC bangs, textured grey lob with blonde balayage, voluminous lob with wispy layers,